Oh, Michael Caine, what are you going to do with the doors?
Oh,
Don't blow them off. I don't want to blow the bloody doors off.
Moment.
Oh, he's just having a little test with the screwdriver, seeing if they'll all come off undone.
Yes, so I'm just going to try.
Going to need another tub to put the screws.
I'll start with the bottom ones.
There's going to be a point where I'm going to have to put this on the tripod because I'm going to have to hold the door. Right, you went.
Do you want to just move it and see if that'll actually move? No, that might be a bolt. Might have to come out as well. Well, that's okay. That's good then.
Okay. I'm trying to catch this side. Just try and not stick it against the car. And
I see there's a bolt back, 2 bolts there and 2 bolts there. Right. They might be also holding it. So
do you think this is the bits you're taking off? Do you think this is a plate that this whole mechanism fits in?
Yeah, the whole thing fits inside.
Fits in a hole. And anyway, it's something more nice to go in my house, which is just lovely, isn't it?
Well, I know that you like bits and pieces in your house.
Bits of cars in my house.
Yeah, it goes with your. No, it's not a Lambretta, is it?
No, it's the proper one.
It's a Wasp.
It's holding. That's it. If you can pull the hinges, I'm all right with the door. But if you pull the hinges, so that we can. As in, can you turn them in? Can you turn them 90? Pull them 90 degrees.
I'm trying to get them out first.
Really crack your fingers, but so I see. So are they?
Yeah.
So can they pull towards the inside of the door?
You need to push that way, I think. But that your door's stopping it happening, isn't it?
Yes, I'm just wondering.
You have to shut it a bit to bring them out. And now come this way.
I didn't know how much they're going in behind that.
No. There you go. Yes. You got it?
I've got it.
You happy?
Oh, ecstatic. Are you?
Yeah,
well,
I can't feel a thing. I think you're doing a right good job. Hang on, put it on here, look. Put this on the floor.
Okay, I was just going to put it straight in the house.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll start on the other side then.
Then.
Right. But they might be painted into the thing.
Oh, I see. I've taken it away now.
No.
Do you want some lube?
I don't know whether it'll go through. They're painted in.
Yeah.
Paint that's holding them.
So.
That's done that one.
Oh, good.
So now I need to shut it.
Okay.
If you did it just comes out once you've got it nearly shut, doesn't it?
Oh, look.
Look at that.
I'm getting more of an expert. Let's just
out. Yeah. There we
watch
go.
the back of the door against the garage wall.
You all right?
Yep.
Got it.
Yeah. So we didn't need to do weightlifting this morning.
Oh, look, the car's sagged under that.
So let's hope it hasn't sagged.
Floor's the sills are touching the floor.
Now we have some Starsky and Hutch doors, or no doors. Trying to put a brace on so it doesn't bend in the middle. And when we put it on its side, that side is going to need welding onto there, but we're hoping a bolt mechanism on the front with a pair of fancy socks is going to be what we need for the front bit.